Today, today we are discussing about intercepted form of a straight line. Intercepted form of straight line means if a straight line cuts the x-axis at a point a comma 0 and as well as y-axis at a point 0 comma b, then the equation of the straight line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. That means what I want to say is that if a straight line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0 and cuts the y-axis at 0 comma b, then the equation of the straight line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. You know that we have already uploaded few videos of quadratic equation and also differentiation. The link of the above videos are given in the description box. So let's start today's class. Any point on the straight line is pxy. Now we have to find out the straight line a b. We draw a perpendicular from O to P, and then we draw a perpendicular from P to C and P to D. Now what we get from this figure, we get from this figure is that area of OAB, area of triangle OAB is equal to area of OPB plus area of triangle OPA. OPA. That means OPAB plus OPA. Now the area of OAB means half base into height. Half base means this is base OB into OA. Area of OPB means half base OB into height PC, and area of OPA means half base OA into height PD. From here we get half OB means A, OA means B. Half OB means, you know that half OB means A, or PC, this is X and this is Y, because it is coordinate of P is PXY, this is X and this is Y. If it is X, OC is equal to X, then PD also X. Then this is equal to half OBA and PCY plus half OA. OA means this is B and PD means X. So cancelling half from both sides, we get AB is equal to AY plus BX. Now transferring this, we get AY plus BX, sorry, AX BX plus AY is equal to AB. Dividing both sides by AB, we get BX by AB plus AY by AB is equal to AB by AB is equal to 1. Or cancelling B or cancelling A, we get X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. This is the equation of straight line. Do you understand what I want to say is that if a straight line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma b, then we get the equation of straight line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now from this figure we get such a type of 4 equation. Let us see it. Now you can see from this figure is that there are 4 straight lines. That means if it cuts here at x a comma 0, then these straight lines, that means a e f that means the equation of straight line AF which cuts x dash at minus a comma 0 and at a is equal to a means 0 comma b and in the y axis, and e means minus a comma 0 in the x axis. Then the equation of straight line of AE is x by minus a plus y by b is equal to 1. That means x by a minus y by b is equal to minus 1, or x by a minus y by b plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of AE. Now if we find the equation of EF, EF means this cuts at the x axis at minus a comma 0 and f at 0 comma minus b, 0 comma minus b, then the equation of straight line will be x by minus a plus y by minus b is equal to 1. That means x by a plus y by b is equal to minus 1, or x by a plus y by b plus 1 is equal to 0. And the last is that FB, the equation of FB. That means the y-axis, this straight line FB cuts the y-axis at 0 comma minus b and x-axis at a comma 0. That means the equation will be x by minus b, sorry, x by a plus y by minus b is equal to 1. That means x by a minus y by b is equal to 1. So x by a minus y by b is equal to 1. Therefore we get here 4 straight lines. That means x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, x by minus a plus y by b is equal to 1, x by minus a plus y by minus b is equal to 1, and x by a minus y by b is equal to 1. This is the intercept form of straight line. Now we know that the general form of straight line is general form of straight line. General form of straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is always a linear equation. That means the degree of x and y is equal to 1. Now any equation can be changed to this intercept form. That means ax plus by is equal to minus c. Dividing both sides by minus c, we get ax by minus c plus by minus c is equal to 1. Then from here we get x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by b. This is equal to 1. That means it cuts the x-axis. It cuts the x-axis at x c by a comma 0 and 0 comma minus c by b. So what we say is that any straight line can be transformed to a intercept form. Now we show some example in this type. Suppose example 1, simple example. Example 1, a straight line is passing through 2 comma 3 and the problem is a straight line is passing through 2 comma 3 and makes an equal intercept with x and y axis. Find the equation of straight line. What we have to do? The straight line makes an equal intercept. That means makes an equal intercept means this is x by a plus y by a is equal to 1. That means it is equal intercept, and also it is passing through 2 comma 3, 2 by a plus 3 by a is equal to 1, or 5 is equal to a. Therefore, equation of straight line is x plus y is equal to 5. Now, I change it in this way. A straight line is passing through 2, 3 and makes an equal and opposite intercept with x and y axis. Find the equation of straight line. What we have to do is that the straight line makes an equal and opposite intercept. That means this is x by a plus y by minus a is equal to 1, or you can write it in this way: x by minus a plus y by a is equal to 1, equal but opposite in sign. Then and also it is passing through 2, 3. Then 2 by a plus 3 by minus a is equal to 1, or 2 minus 3 is equal to a, or a is equal to minus 1. Now putting the value of a, we get x by minus 1 plus y by minus 1 is equal to 1. That means x by minus 1 plus y by 1 is equal to 1, or minus x plus y is equal to 1, or x minus y is equal to minus 1, or x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is example 1 and example 2. Now I am discussing here for more example in this type. So the example 3. Next, the problem is find the equation of the straight line which cuts off intercept whose sum and product are 1 and minus 6 respectively. That means if the straight line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0 and b at 0 comma b, then sum of the intercepts means a plus b is equal to 1 and product ab is equal to minus 6. Then you have to find out the values of a and b. What we have to do? A minus b whole square, you know, a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. That means this is equal to 1 minus 4 into minus 6. That means this is a minus b is equal to 25. A minus b is equal to plus minus 5. And you have in your hand a plus b is equal to 1. Taking positive sides, taking positive, we get 2a is equal to 6, then a is equal to 3. Now putting a is equal to 3, we get a minus b is equal to 5, putting a is equal to 3, 3 minus b is equal to 5, or minus b is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, or b is equal to minus 2. Taking a minus b is equal to minus 5 and a plus b is equal to 1, we get 2a is equal to minus 4, or a is equal to minus 2. Putting a is equal to minus 2, we get minus 2 plus b is equal to 1, that means b is equal to 3. So our required equation is from this x by 3 plus y by minus 2 is equal to 1, and from this x by minus 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. This is the required answer. Okay, it is a very simple sum. Now we proceed for the next example. Next sum is find the equation of the straight line which passes through the point P 2, 6 and it cuts the axis at the point A and B respectively such that AP is to BP is equal to 2 is to 3. The straight line AB cuts the axis at A, 0 and 0, B. Here a point P is 2, 6. P cuts the AB, segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 3. That means AP by PB is equal to 2 by 3. We know that P divided internally in the ratio 2 is to 3. So, by internal division, we know that this is 0, B, this is 0, A, 0. This is P, 2 is to 3 and this is 2, 6. Then 2 is equal to 3 into A plus 2 into 0, 2 into 0 by 2 plus 3. We know that internal division is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, and 3 and 6 is equal to, so what we get, 3a by 5 or 10 by 3 is equal to A. So what we get, A is equal to 10 by 3. Now 6 is equal to 3 into 0 plus 2 into B by 3 plus 2. So 30, 3 plus 2 means 5, 30 by 2 is equal to B, or B means 15. So the equation of straight line is, since it cuts x at A and B, then by the formula of intercepted form we get x by A plus y by B is equal to 1, and from here we get x by 10 by 3 plus y by 15 is equal to 1, or we get 3x by 10 plus y by 15 is equal to 1, or 9x plus 2y is equal to 30. This is the equation of straight line AB. Okay.